Hi, my name is Sunil Gupta. I am from Delhi and I've been traveling all over India along with my 6 other team members, and we call this road trip the Grand Indian Road Trip. The mission is to promote motorcycling and to promote safe motorcycling, to promote uh, the importance of wearing helmets and all the safety aspects of motorcycling, and to promote motorcycling as lifestyle in India and not just as a only as the medium to commute from point 1 to point 2. So that's the main mission, to connect with all the bikers, to connect all the bikers and to bring them under one umbrella. That's our main mission on this trip. We started from Delhi on 11th of March. After Delhi we went to Rajasthan, then we entered Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Karnataka, then we went to Kerala, Tamil Nadu, then now we are in Andhra Pradesh. After that we'll be entering Odisha. We'll go to Bhubaneswar. From there we'll go to West Bengal, Calcutta. From Calcutta to we will go to Jharkhand, Bihar, then enter Uttar Pradesh via Varanasi. Then we'll go to Lucknow and Delhi via Agra. See, Nokia has been a lifesaver for us, particularly in a city like this, in a big city like Hyderabad, where the roads are, it's a big city and the roads are difficult to find, the destinations are difficult to find. So whenever we enter a big city after 300-400 kilometers ride, we just feed in our destination in the Nokia Lumia 800. It's got GPS and it's got the pre-downloaded maps, so we just feed in our destination and it navigates us to our location. We don't have to ask different people about our location, we don't have to ask for the route, we just feed in our location and it's very accurate. The maps are very accurate and it leads directly to our destination. And it's like apart from the Nokia Drive and the GPS, the most useful thing in this phone is the 8 megapixel camera. We keep visiting a lot of beautiful places and we want to obviously click beautiful pictures. So we take a lot of pictures along with the help of this phone. We don't have to take out our camera from the bags and click the pictures. We just sitting on the bike, we just take out the phone and click the pictures, and also upload it on Facebook and Twitter real time, so that we are sharing everything with our friends and family and all those who are following our trip. Yes, we are already, we are connected with our friends and family 24/7 with the help of this phone only, because we can, whatever we are seeing, we can share it with them as soon as it's happening in real time. Like I just click a picture of you guys, talking to us, and I sent it to my family. So we are sharing, and also what we are doing, we are updating our social network status, like about our plans. Like right now we are here, and tomorrow we are going to be in Vijayawada. So we are sharing all our travel plans with all those who are following this ride, so they know in advance where we are going next, so they can come and meet us. A lot of bikers are coming to meet us just because we have updated our social network status with this Lumia 800 obviously, and they come to meet us. Even in small towns, whenever we take breaks, we just update that okay, we are in this town, so people come to know that okay, that they are in this town. So if anybody is around, they can come there and meet us. This has happened. A lot of people have come to meet us just because they know that we are there, and this has happened all because of this Lumia 800 phone. Wherever we are going, in all the big cities, in 10 different cities, we are conducting the motorcycling workshop, where we are discussing the technical aspects of motorcycling as well as the safety aspects, the importance of wearing helmet and all these, following traffic rules. So wherever we are going, we are educating people about how they can remain safe and save other lives also, how they can respect their own life. I am working with xbhp.com, which is India's biggest motorcycling community and portal. This is the Grand Indian Road Trip is the idea conceived by xbhp.com, and I am working with that as content manager.